And now we take flight. I'm your instructor, Mr. Deutsch. First thing we're going to do is create a new event. Not a new library, but a new event. In your event should be this little video of a city. It should be you jumping in front of the green screen. Now, as far as the jumping goes, you want to jump with your arms down, more like Iron Man, less like Superman. And make sure that you don't have your head above the green screen. So if you're a super high jumper, you're going to need to cool out on it. So here I am. I almost have my head above the green screen, but I'm still below it. Now you're going to want to select the little piece from when you jump to when you're at your highest in the air. Next, you're going to crop out everything that is extra from after you key it. So we're going to crop out all the extra so it looks like we're in there. Now what we're going to do is go to the transform function. And we'll put ourselves in the bottom right hand corner because I'm walking out here, so I want to make sure it doesn't seem like I'm coming from nowhere. And I also want to make sure I'm the same size as everybody else. So I'm going to be in the bottom right hand corner so that when I walk out, it looks like I'm coming from somewhere. Alright, now I want to blow everything up. So I'm going to take the magnifying glass and I'm going to blow everything up so I see little hash marks above my editor there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it using the blade tool or Command B right at the point where I'm highest in the air. And it's going to cut a tiny little sliver out. Then I'm going to go over and where you normally do slow motion, you're going to hit hold, so it holds it in place. Next, I hit the transform button again. Now here's the tricky piece, so pay attention. On the top left, there's a little plus button where I just clicked. That's called a keyframer. A keyframer allows you to move along these little hash marks and then move the object, and it's going to remember where you move it. So I'll move it a little bit and then jump ahead on the hash mark, move it a little bit, jump ahead on the hash mark. And this will allow this picture to just fly right up. Next step is we bring in the downloadable smoke, we key it, and we place it underneath where I'm jumping from. Now this is almost perfect, but if you notice when I play it back, there's going to be a tiny bit of lag right before I take off. This is because me flying is so much faster than me jumping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in, and from the point where I crouch down to the point where I jump, I'm going to double that speed. So it just creates one smooth, super fast motion, so there's no little lag or no little stutter when I jump. So you're going to do that just with the time thing, and you guys know how to speed up. And that's going to create a nice, smooth transition. So we have the jumping that we hold when you're at the top, then you keyframe it out, add the smoke, and here's your final piece. This is with the fast forwarded piece too. Boom. That is what yours should look like. This is a one-day project. This is an individual project. Good luck.